This is the Tuni coffee grinder, and this is going to be paired up with the nice Tuni E2, and it's actually going to match this perfectly. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Got the nice instruction manual right here. Just find it easier to put it upside down. This looks amazing. Got the portafilter holder right here. And this setup is actually going to be a conical burr, and that is going to rely on gravity to let these beans fall down, and it's going to produce less friction and heat whenever it's grinding, ultimately just giving you more aroma and flavor in your beans. Nice hopper. So the hopper is just going to twist on super easy. You got to lock it on lock over here. So you're just going to lock that, hit it until it clicks. Portafilter holder, removable. Basically just set this on just like that. If you're newer to this like I am, there's a little tab on the back of this portafilter. It just sits right here on that tab, just like that. We actually get a magnetic cover ring just to keep this in. This is like a cone shape, just to keep all of the grounds actually inside. A couple ways to do this. You can actually grind it right into here. This should have a timer on here or a preset, so we can grind the amount we want in there. Also, another way to do it would be to just put this on here, and I do like that because this actually has a magnet on here, which is really cool because it just sticks to the bottom there. You can see it just kind of like grabs it. So if we just put that there, then we can actually grind right into this container right here. So I have my scale right on here. I'm gonna plug this in. So what's really nice about this grinder is you actually have these nice adjustment settings where you can spin this, and you actually have French press, gauge, pour over, and espresso. You know exactly where to go, and these are just different numbers to represent the different grades, of course, that you're going to get. Goes all the way from 0 up to 48 different adjustments, and this is going to be absolutely perfect to give you that drip pour over, French press, or espresso, and you can really dial in exactly what you want. So I'm going to load this up with a little bit of beans here. We have different adjustments down here that we can do. We have a timer. You can also select these different modes here, which to show you how many different cups of coffee you're trying to brew. This is going to be just 2 cups, and we also have a timer that we could time it right at 10, 20. You can put this at whatever, really. So this timer is in half seconds, and it's really nice to dial in. For me, when I do drip coffee or pour over coffee, I like to just do an amount of like 10 seconds, and that'll give me exactly what I'm looking for. So right now we're going to be doing an espresso shot, and if you look on their portafilter, they actually recommend 12 to 13 grams for a single shot here. So that is what we're going to shoot for. I actually have my scale underneath here. We are going to turn that on, and I'm going to shoot for 12 to 13 grams, and we will just go for 10 seconds, and I'll be able to stop this whenever I need to. But first we're going to adjust this to espresso. So I'm going to go right in the middle at number 8, press start. And that's 10 seconds right there. So that's one way that you can actually do this. I can stop it at any point. I only hit 9 grams, so I do need more. So I'm just gonna hit this again, and we're gonna try to stop it right at 13. So as you can see, we got the perfect amount here, and this is going to be about a coarse grade of 8. So this is going to be perfect for French press. Overall, I absolutely love this machine. I think that it's really nice how it has the different settings that you can do in the timer, and you can just turn it on and off, and you can just do kind of whatever you want. And also the fact that you can adjust different levels of what you're drinking. French press, pour over, espresso. I think that's awesome because it just makes it user friendly. It looks amazing sitting here on my counter. It holds a decent amount of coffee beans in the hopper. All in all, this is a great piece. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.